Shenzhen Kunju Sci and Tech Co. Limited is high-tech and creative enterprise located in Shenzhen, which is Garden City with developed economy, technology and transportation. It has 4 factories and a designing company with over 700 staff, including over 250 professional technicians, engineers and management. Keeping the concept, making our life more healthy, convenient, colorful and comfortable. We specialize in the designing, developing and manufacturing of high quality of non-woven machines for wipes and towels, bed sheet, tablecloth, surgical drapes, pillow and quilt covers, surgical gowns, apron, urine pad, air filter bags, glove, etc., paper rolling machine, dental pad and bib machines, toilet seat cover machine, glue machine, non-woven embossing and slitting and printing, and rewinding machine, non-woven cutting machine, bedding sewing machines, heater sewing machine, etc. Excellent products are based on quality, material combined with advanced skill. We have strict inspection system from raw material to final product. We exchanges information with many China research institutes and high-level universities, and continuously introduces advanced technology to lay solid foundation for high-quality products.